H2O STEM labs as a way for parents and their kids to work together to learn more about where water comes from, specifically here in the city of Phoenix, how groundwater flows, the water cycle, as well as what a watershed is, and then also how water flows down into the watersheds. So it's a great way for parents and kids to work together to learn more.
Today I had a lot of fun because I got to learn about percolation, and I got to learn about recycling, and I got to learn a bunch of new things. And now I can tell my family and friends that. So we'll be making the world a better place by recycling, helping the environment.
We discuss with the kiddos pollution a little bit too. If the water above ground is connected to the water that's below ground, if you're polluting the streets and parks with oils, paints, trash, eventually those contaminants can end up in the ground as well. So we'd like to use that as a demonstration to say, hey, this is why it's important not to pollute.
My favorite part about today was that we got to learn about where water comes from and what to do if it becomes polluted.
At an early age, it's really important to get it into them because they just absorb it a lot quicker and they get better and better with it. Knowing what goes in the recycling bin, knowing where to look if they don't know what goes in the recycling bin.
Anytime children are allowed to learn about the water cycle, it's good because they're drinking water and they need to know how it comes from. You can't take it for granted.
I think kids really enjoy the opportunity to be hands-on and do activities where they can use coloring, they can use bracelets to interact with the incredible journey in the water cycle, or whether they're coloring that paper to learn more about the watersheds. Or also the groundwater model is a great way to visualize as well where the water is moving and flowing. So I would say that this experience as a whole, it being very interactive, is a great way for the kids to learn.